I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Bid Form as a trigger. Select a form. Next. Now search for Action MailerLite. Give a name. For API token, visit MailerLite API token form here. Click on Generate API token. Give a name. Now click on Create Token. Copy API token. Paste it here. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to MailerLite dashboard. Click on Subscribers. You can see subscriber created successfully in MailerLite. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.